Hi, welcome back to Pink Aura Tarot. My name is Z. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and supporting the channel. I really do appreciate it. So Virgo, this is going to be your second reading for May 2020. Let's see what comes up for you. I'm using a new oracle deck. This is from Kyle Gray, the Angel Prayers oracle card deck. So let's see what comes up for you, Virgo. What messages do you have for Virgo? Okay, so we got to take a step back. So take a step back. It says, thank you, angels, for helping me to take... Wait, hold on. Let me try again. Thank you, angels, for helping me to step back from what's not serving me. Okay, so for some of you guys, you could be... it's like you're walking away or just like turning your back towards like whatever is not serving you. What messages do you have for Virgo? What messages do you have for Virgo? Okay, so we got transformation. So transformation, Archangel Zadkiel. Thank you, Zadkiel, for supporting me to transform from my past challenges. So yeah, for some of you guys, you could be going through a transformation here. It's like you're taking a step back and needing to like transform. And you have the spiritual support too. We got spiritual support right here. Let's pull one more. Give me one more for Virgo. Wow, so we have peace and harmony. Yeah, some of you guys are transforming or changing the way you do things. Like you're taking a step back. It's like somebody's like walking away from the past too, because like with this transformation card, it says, thank you, Zadkiel, for supporting me to transform from my past challenges. So we got peace and harmony. So it's like you guys are headed towards peace and harmony. Like somewhere where you feel more peaceful. Or something that you're like walking towards something that gives you more peace. Wow, then we got clear your vibes too at the bottom of the deck. So it's like by you taking a step back and walking away. Like taking a step back from what's not serving you. Like that's you clearing your vibes. So that could be like people, places, situations. Clarify, take a step back. Clarify, take a step back. Wow, so we got strength that came out. So some of you guys like really need the strength here. I feel like somebody's definitely it's like you're not letting the situation control you. And we got the 8 of Cups. So you guys are definitely walking away from what no longer serves you. Clarify, take a step back. Well, we got the 5 of Swords. Somebody could be like in a situation here or dealing with some people here where there's like a lot of conflict, like manipulation too. Maybe even people playing mind games. And we got Temperance. So it's like somebody's really needing to like kind of... It's almost like you have to be the mature one. We got the Temperance right here. You guys came out as Temperance too in the last reading. I think it was like the money reading that I did for Virgo. But it's like somebody's really needing to be patient too with this situation. But I feel like it could be maybe like you're in a situation where there's like people playing mind games. Yeah, we got the Seven of Swords. Or this could be you too. Maybe like you're lying to yourself about the situation. You got the Seven of Swords here too. But I see somebody like leaving a situation here. It could be like a person too, where there's like manipulation going on. Somebody playing mind games. Clarify transformation. Oh wow, so we got the Eight of Pentacles. So I feel like you guys are definitely working on yourself. I feel like somebody could be leaving. This could be like a work situation too with this transformation. Like somebody could be somebody could have been experiencing like past challenges like with their work here. But I feel like it could be like a work situation, but I feel like somebody's doing like working on themselves too. It's like somebody's working past their challenges here. Like they're trying to get past their challenges here. And Archangel Zadkiel, I think that's how you say it, is helping you do that. Clarify transformation. Clarify transformation. So we got the Five of Cups that came in. So I feel like for some of you guys, you could be, there could have been some things here that kind of had you down and out with this Five of Cups, like some things in the past. I feel like somebody's working past that. Like they're really working on themselves. It's like you're just going through a transformation. And we got the Two of Wands here too. So I feel like if you are walking away from a situation or like taking a step back from something here, you're making the right decisions. So don't feel sad or there could be like a sense of like you feeling like you lost out on something too, but you didn't. Clarify peace and harmony. Well, we got the Ten of Wands in reverse. I feel like somebody's about to drop some burdens here. It's like somebody's headed towards peace and harmony. Clarify peace and harmony. Like there could have, like somebody could have been carrying some burdens here, like from their past, and I feel like you're finally dropping that too, because you like you have spiritual support. Because we had spiritual support. I can't find it, but yeah, I seen spiritual support. So just know that your angels, your guides are like helping you clarify peace and harmony. Wow, so we got Judgment. See, somebody is working working past whatever happened in the past. We got Judgment here. Something could have came up to like from the past that somebody's like trying to work past or something, or you could be like working on it. But we got the Six of Swords. You guys are like moving towards calmer waters, like you're moving towards peace and harmony. Like you're on the right path. What's this Five of Swords? Wow, we got the Three of Swords. See, I feel like something. Now, this could be people or a situation or even your own thoughts. Like some things from the past keep popping up. We got the Six of Cups right here. And it's like somebody's really needing to take a step back here, like walk away from it. We got the Three of Swords that came in. I feel like this is definitely some type of disappointment here of whatever you needed to take a step back from. What's the Eight of Pentacles? So we got the Hierophant. See, I feel like somebody is doing, like you guys are really working on yourself, like spiritually here too with the Hierophant. And it's Eight of Pentacles. Like you're really committed to yourself. And we got the Eight of Cups again at the bottom of the deck. It's almost like somebody's going through spiritual maintenance with this Eight of Pentacles and the Hierophant. What's the Five of Cups? We got the Seven of Cups that came in. I feel like for some of you guys, you could be still thinking about some stuff from the past, like maybe a past, maybe some choices or something that you made in the past. But I feel like somebody's dropping that burden here. What's Judgment? Sorry if you hear like outside noise. What's Judgment? Wow, we got the Devil. I feel like something from your past, like you feel like you're tied down to it. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn, but it's like the past. Because we got the Six of Cups here. Somebody could have felt like they were like tied down to something. But with this Devil card, you can easily get away. It's like just change your thoughts about it with the Devil card. So let's pull some angel answer cards for you guys. Give me one for Virgo. Give me one for Virgo. Communicate clearly. I feel like with this right here, I feel like for some of you guys, you need to call on Archangel Zadkiel and Archangel Raguel. I think I'm saying that right. Because with this transformation, like some of you guys are going through like spiritual maintenance here. I feel like somebody needs to like communicate clearly here about whatever this conflict here is. I feel like there's definitely some mental conflict going on. It's a lot of mental stuff going on that somebody needs to take a step back from. I feel like somebody needs to communicate it instead of thinking about it. And like ask for the support. Give me one more for Virgo. Give me one more for Virgo. Wow, we got success. And then we got compromise too. So I feel like you guys are definitely going to, I feel like somebody needs to, like you could be dealing with some other people. And it's like, I feel like with this compromise, like you need to put yourself first. But we got success that came in. So I feel like you guys have successfully got through your past challenges. And you could just be like currently going through that now, because it's like you guys are going through like spiritual maintenance, and you're going to find your peace and harmony like once you kind of like release the past for whatever happened in the past. Give me one more for Virgo. So we got improving health. Improving health. So you guys are definitely improving your health. And remember, we had clear your vibes too. That was at the bottom of the deck. So improving your health could just be like you walking away, taking a step back from people or situations that would kind of like bring you back to your past or what you did in the past. Like you guys are moving forward, going through a transformation, and you can't like keep thinking about the past or even deal with people from the past too. So I'm going to leave this reading right here. Hopefully it resonated with somebody. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.